Most people still use Claude like a simple chatbot. They ask one question, get one answer, and move on. But over the past year, Claude quietly gained a set of skills that completely changed how some people work every single day. These are real capabilities that can reduce hours of work into minutes when used correctly. What surprised many users was not just how powerful the features became, but how many of them were already included inside the same subscription they were already paying for. No complicated setup, no coding knowledge required, just smarter ways to use the AI tools that already exist. One of the biggest productivity boosts came from Claude's ability to analyze huge amounts of information at once. Instead of reading documents one by one, users started uploading PDFs, spreadsheets, research notes, articles, meeting transcripts, screenshots, and copied text into a single conversation. Claude became useful for organizing messy information into something understandable. It could compare ideas across multiple sources, identify patterns, summarize findings, and explain complicated topics in simpler language. This dramatically reduced the time needed for research and planning. Instead of jumping between dozens of tabs and documents, many users began using Claude as a central workspace for understanding information faster. Another major skill was long-form writing assistance. Most people think AI writing is only about generating text, but the real productivity increase came from editing and restructuring ideas. Claude became useful for turning rough thoughts, incomplete notes, or scattered concepts into clean, readable content. Writers started using it to improve flow, pacing, structure, and clarity without losing the original tone. For content creators, this became especially valuable. A rough script idea could quickly evolve into a polished video structure with better transitions, hooks, and explanations. Instead of replacing creativity, Claude helped reduce the friction that normally slows down the writing process. Claude also became surprisingly effective at understanding entire projects instead of isolated prompts. Users started uploading folders of documentation, project notes, code files, roadmaps, and spreadsheets into one workspace. Claude could then analyze how different parts connected together. This helped with identifying missing features, finding inconsistencies, spotting bottlenecks, and organizing priorities. For many people, this reduced the amount of repetitive explanation normally required when working with AI tools. Conversations became more efficient because the system could maintain larger amounts of context across ongoing tasks. Learning new skills also became much faster with Claude. Instead of relying entirely on long tutorials or confusing documentation, users began treating Claude like an adaptive tutor. Technical concepts could be simplified without removing important details. Follow-up questions could be asked instantly without restarting the explanation. This made learning software, coding concepts, business systems, and AI workflows feel less overwhelming. One of the biggest advantages was flexibility. Unlike static tutorials that move at one speed, Claude could adjust explanations depending on the user's level of understanding. Brainstorming became another area where productivity increased significantly. Claude became useful for expanding small ideas into multiple directions very quickly. A single sentence could generate dozens of potential angles for videos, products, businesses, automation systems, or marketing strategies. The value was not just the number of ideas generated, but the speed of iteration. Weak ideas could evolve into stronger concepts within minutes. Many users found that this reduced creative blocks because the conversation itself helped generate momentum. Another skill that gained attention was project organization. Claude became useful for turning messy updates and scattered information into structured action plans. Users started feeding it meeting notes, project goals, task lists, and team discussions. Claude could then organize the information into priorities, summaries, timelines, and next steps. This reduced the amount of manual planning required for ongoing projects and helped simplify communication between teams or collaborators. Content repurposing also became dramatically easier. Instead of manually rewriting the same idea for different platforms, users started feeding Claude transcripts, articles, or long-form content and asking it to transform them into multiple formats. One piece of content could become social media posts, newsletters, short-form scripts, summaries, descriptions, titles, and promotional material within minutes. Claude became especially useful for maintaining consistent messaging while adapting tone and structure for different platforms. Claude's visual analysis capabilities also became more useful over time. Users began uploading screenshots of websites, dashboards, thumbnails, interfaces, charts, and designs for feedback. Claude could explain layout issues, readability problems, visual hierarchy, and clarity concerns in plain language. This became valuable for creators, developers, and marketers trying to improve presentation quality without needing advanced design expertise. Planning large goals became another strong use case. Many people struggle with projects because they feel too complicated to start. Claude became useful for breaking large goals into smaller, actionable steps. Whether planning a business launch, content strategy, automation workflow, or learning roadmap, users could ask Claude to organize tasks into realistic sequences. This reduced mental overload and made long-term projects easier to approach. Advanced summarization also became one of the most practical productivity skills. Claude could compress large amounts of information while preserving key ideas and context. Research papers, books, podcasts, interviews, reports, and transcripts could be summarized into concise explanations that were easier to review quickly. Instead of spending hours filtering information manually, users could focus faster on the most valuable insights. Another growing use case was prompt improvement. Instead of writing prompts from scratch repeatedly, users started asking Claude to optimize prompts automatically. Claude could identify unclear instructions, missing context, or weak structure and improve them for better results. Over time, this helped users build more effective workflows without constantly reinventing their systems. Decision analysis also became more practical with Claude. Users started comparing tools, pricing models, business strategies, software options, and workflows inside structured conversations. Claude could explain trade-offs between different choices depending on priorities such as cost, speed, scalability, or simplicity. This became useful for reducing decision fatigue and speeding up planning processes. One of the more interesting developments was the use of Claude for creating lightweight tools and frameworks. Users discovered they could ask Claude to generate planners, templates, calculators, tracking systems, and interactive structures directly inside conversations. This made the AI feel less like a basic chatbot and more like a flexible productivity workspace. Long-term project continuity also improved workflows significantly. Instead of restarting every conversation from zero, users began organizing ongoing work into connected sessions and projects. Maintaining context across tasks helped preserve momentum and reduced repetitive explanations. Over time, this made collaboration with the AI feel more natural and efficient. But the biggest productivity improvement was probably the simplest one: reduced mental friction. Claude helped remove small interruptions that slow people down every day. Less searching for information, less rewriting, less organizing, less context switching between apps and tabs, less time spent figuring out where to start. The work itself still required effort, but the process became smoother and faster. That is why these Claude skills became so valuable for many users. The real benefit was not replacing human work completely, it was reducing the unnecessary friction between ideas and execution. That's all for today's video. Hope it was useful. If so, please like and subscribe for more similar content. Then watch the next video that will appear in front of you soon.